Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a good Friday. So today we're gonna be looking at a potential uh, severe weather outbreak next week. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We have 185, so thank you guys. Sorry there's been no videos. I'm just trying to stop. Yesterday, I've had a ton of homework this week. I don't know why. Seems like I don't know, but I'm trying to get back to the schedule next week and stuff. But yeah, so the SBC has updated something, which I'll talk about in a second. And let's go ahead and get started. So we do have some severe weather going on today. We have a slight risk in southern Florida and a marginal risk in southern Florida. Tornado threat, 5%. Wind threat, 15. And hail threat, not really any hail threat. So we see that. Pretty small area, so no live streams. Then for day 2, tomorrow, which is the new update, look at this. We now have the tornado, wind, and hail buttons right here. We did have that down here back in early January and stuff, but it didn't show it on a map, so it was just for one area, which was the highest values. But we now have it for the day 2, so that's how it'll be useful. We do see a slight risk again in southern Florida, but it's starting to a little bit of a bigger area actually tomorrow. So yeah, and then for day 3, we don't have anything at all, other than a little bit of a thunderstorm chance right there. But in the big areas next week. So day 3 is Sunday. Okay, so this is Monday here. Monday, yeah. Tuesday afternoon, we have the first slight risk for day 5 here. It's in Arkansas, up through Memphis, down through Texas, and through Louisiana, Mississippi right there. See a little bit of a 15% area. And then day 6, we have another one moving down. This is going to be a pretty slow-moving storm system, so these could overlap some days. But for day 6, this is Wednesday next week. We see it like this approaching where I live, my area. And then day 7 is in my area. I'm sort of on the border, although I'm in it. But yeah, we see it in the east, and then we don't have a day out. But we have 3 days. We could be looking at a potential severe weather outbreak next week. I'll be looking at that in more in depth at the end of this video. We don't really see any. It's going to be happening day 4. Cut off upper level low will drift into northern Mexico Sunday with her transmitting to an open wave in day 6, Tuesday, and what day 4? Okay, Sunday doesn't make sense there, but all right. So right now we have a little bit of a Gulf Coast storm. This could have been a nor'easter, but it's not. It's not. It's going to be too far to the east. But we do see some showers and stuff across the south. Maybe even a little bit of snowfall in Pennsylvania. Okay, this is not going to work. This is not working, so I'm going to reload it. See if that'll help us. All right, there we go. Let's see. There we go. So we do see that move on, and we don't really see much happening. We do see a little bit of a storm to the north that could deliver some showers to England, but we'll talk about that next storm. I just got to get a better model run here for 12Z. So, all right, 12Z here. We have a little bit of some disturbance in the northwest U.S. We have a deep ridge building in front of this. We see we have a trough in the west like this. We have a pretty big ridge in the east. It's going to be pretty warm. And we see we have a lot of potential snowstorm up in Colorado in that area. This will pretty much start Monday, although it is going to be hitting Sunday for portions in the northwest. But on Monday is when it will start really get going. And then by Tuesday morning, this thing has started to move out into the more eastern part of the U.S. We see some snow back in Nebraska and Colorado right there. A little bit of potential for some snow in the northern end of this big rain area here. Probably just a lot of showers in this area, but it'll be more focused over portions of Kentucky, southern Illinois, and southern Indiana. Be more focused. We have the low pressure in southern New Mexico. So it's going to be a pretty big storm system. And by Tuesday afternoon, not really a good winter storm yet, but we do see those showers. We still see that rain focused on one area, but a lot of rain in other places too, even into the northeast. Now we still see some snow back there to the north of Kansas City. And then Tuesday evening we see it it doesn't really do much, but then by Wednesday morning we see it starts developing a cold front. Or we could see the potential for some severe weather out here Tuesday, but it'll be this pretty much not that far east. Wednesday afternoon, we'll see sort of another low pickup, but Wednesday morning we sort of have another low forming right there, and we have some even maybe some snow for West Texas. We'll keep looking at that, but we do have some a little snow band right there, and even some sleet and freezing rain. Rain's still focused over that one area, so there could be end up with a lot of rain right there, the heaviest of the rain. 12Z, we see that low pressure moving north. We see a pretty good snow band moving over Texas and Oklahoma, and then we see a little bit of a second burst here moving north and bringing the severe weather Thursday. Look at that. Hit out to the southeast. A deep trough behind now. Look at that. It's going to be pretty far south. And we see this pretty good rain swath here. This is maybe even 2-day winter storms with this. So we'll have to see. And then after that, next week, we don't really see anything for next weekend yet until probably Sunday. We'll have to see on that. That's pretty far out. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to sort of look far into to what could potentially be happening with the severe weather, which days could be the worst. So Tuesday afternoon, we're going to be looking at some decent K values for winter in Texas. 1,000, almost approaching 2,000 right there in eastern Texas. As we go Wednesday afternoon here, we see it about 500, even okay Cape, going all the way up to Kentucky. And I'm not even okay. That's not going to really support much severe weather. But then Thursday we see it. It's going to be in the southeast. And it'll move into the southeast Thursday, of course. Let's take a look at supercell composite real quick. So Tuesday afternoon, we see it. It's not the strongest. We see some numbers of 1 or 2. And then Wednesday afternoon, we do see a little bit of some stronger stuff, 3, 4 maybe. And then Thursday, 1 or 2, maybe up to about a 3 in some areas. But that's what's going to happen in severe weather rains. There's going to be how strong the lid's going to be. The lid's going to be not that strong, but it's not going to be. It's not going to be really. So the lid is not going to be that strong. It's going to be pretty weak actually, but there may be too much rain, not enough Cape for days after Tuesday, maybe Wednesday or Thursday. So I think the worst day will probably be Tuesday or Wednesday. But yes, so that wraps this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. We're at 185 by the end of February. Let's try to hit 200. That'll be really nice. But and yes, I'm thinking. Please leave a comment and tell me what you guys would like to see. Would you guys like to see face cam or well, I may start face cam tomorrow. I'm not sure, but yes, have a good weekend. Bye.